Several NGOs believe that there needs to be a greater focus on mental health for men. They say this will help them to be better fathers. According to Heartlines research, there is research, that shows that children who grow up without an active, positive, present man in their lives are at significant risk. Our reporter, Katleho Sekhotho, has more.
Those gathered at the Newzroom Sculpture Park spent the day celebrating father figures. Now, the event titled Honor the Father was a family-oriented event which recognizes the pivotal role male figures play in the family as well as in the greater community.
They showed me love this morning, and as a dad, you go all the way. You don't sleep. You work 7 days a week to provide. So I'm happy and I feel appreciated, and them taking me here as a family, I feel appreciated,
Organizers say the aim of the event was about creating a space in which families could relax.
We had a big Mother's Day celebration last month, and that was really, really beautiful, and it was a really big energy and high tempo and a great celebration of mothers and motherhood. But obviously the other pillar in that scenario is fathers, and today is a day to honor the fathers, the grandfathers, the stepfathers, the fathers-to-be and the fathers gone too soon. And today we're out here in the midwinter sun, and it's really beautiful, and it's a full day of music, food, art and nature for the whole family.
Non-profit organizations also took the day as an opportunity to look at the challenges men face and how that affects how they parent.
We found that nearly 44% of all South African men, boys, had been sexually abused by aged 18. So it's rife, it's prevalent, and the sad part is that most of the services are provided for young girls. And boys don't have a place to go and heal and talk about things. And society expects us to come from an abusive childhood and just become functional men.
Ulifile Masangane from the social change organization Heartlines visited the New Creation Family Church in Randburg. He explains what happens to children when a father is absent.
Research shows that children who grow up without an active, positive, present man in their lives, they're at a significant risk. And please highlight risk. These are only risk factors, not a sentence. That, there is issues of mental health disorders. You just mentioned it. There's issues of substance abuse. There's issues of poor educational and economic outcomes. There is issues of teenage pregnancy. The list is endless.
Back at the Newzroom Sculpture Park, some fathers had this advice to give to first-time dads.
My advice would be hands-on, be hands-on. Don't let it be the ladies' thing only, to stand up when the child is crying at night. Be hands-on, be a hands-on dad. I wanted to be there from day one, and I'm glad my son is just turned 16, and I came with him today. And look, it's been a beautiful journey to see him grow up, from being a toddler to be a kid, and then into puberty and all that.
It's up upon us dads to make sure that our kids are disciplined. Well, not to batrap, but discipline them, but also know who they are, respect elderly, it's important.
As the day draws to a close, it also serves as a reminder to the challenges men face in general in being a positive force in their own lives, as well as to those around them. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Katleho Sekhotho in Krugersdorp.